Hey everyone, it's Tyler. Today we're going to unbox the Wyze Palm Lock. I purchased this last week. I'm super excited to replace my current Wyze door lock with this one. What's unique about this is this has the ability to scan your palm to unlock the door. No need to input a code or use the app. You walk up, scan your palm, it lets you in. So before we unbox it, let's talk about some of the features. This has palm vein recognition. So instead of fingerprints, it scans the unique vein pattern beneath your skin using infrared light. And all of that data is encrypted and stored on the lock itself, not in the app and not in the cloud. You can also have up to 50 unique codes or one-time guest codes. And this has anti-peep technology. So if you come up to the door, you want to put your code in, you can just press a bunch of different numbers, put your code in, press a bunch of different numbers, and it will still unlock for you. It knows your PIN. And so if someone is behind you looking at you put your PIN in, they don't know what your PIN is because you've typed in 30 different numbers. It also comes with a set of physical keys that are unique to the lock. You'll also be able to use the Wyze app to lock and unlock the door and also assign codes to guests. And then this works with your usual voice assistants. This has a built-in gyroscope, so it can detect when the door closes and it can lock automatically if that's how you want it set. It has a tamper alarm, so if somebody tries to mess with it, you'll get a notification. If the door is left open, you'll also get a notification. The unit wakes up when you get close to it, and that way it's not on all the time. It does have an IP53 weather rating, so it can withstand dust and angled water spray like rain and from a hose. This has dual batteries. So the main lithium-ion battery can last up to 6 months. That is rechargeable. And then the second battery is also rechargeable and it can last about 2 weeks. So if both of those end up dying on you, you also have a USB-C port. So you can plug in a battery bank and still be able to get to your house. The pricing on this is $129. And that is a very good price compared to other brands with the same palm technology. So let's get this unboxed. So we can see the lock there. So this is the unit that goes on the outside of the house. It has the pin pad and the ability to scan your palm. And this is the part that goes on the inside of your house. So this has the lock feature. This houses the batteries up top. We have our quick start guide. We also have a template, so it's a little difficult to see. There we go. So we have our template if you needed to drill holes in the door, which ours already has it. Here is the door strike. And then we have the deadbolt. Assorted screws. Our unique set of keys. A sticker from Wyze that says, "I backed the Wyze Palm Lock." We have our backup battery. And then we have our main battery. Okay, so that is everything in the box. Looking more at this unit, you can see here on the bottom, these are speaker holes, and then you've got your USB-C for emergency charging. So essentially this will go on the outside of the door. This unit will go on the inside of the door. And then your lock in between, your deadbolt. So on the battery unit, this slides off, and then we we have space for our backup battery. And then we have space for our main battery there. Not sure if you can see it, but there is a reset button there. And on the back is where the pen pad and palm reader plug into. Okay, so I'm going to get this installed on the door and then I will show you how it works. So there we have it. Door lock is installed. It was super easy. I was able to take off the old Wyze lock, install this one within 15-20 minutes. Being able to use my palm to unlock the door is just amazing. When I go take out the trash, I don't have to worry about if I have my phone on me to unlock the door. When I come back to the house, use my palm, open the door. So there we have it, my very first unboxing. I appreciate you joining me for this video. I sure hope there's more to come. I'm gonna keep trying to film as much as I can. So stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't. I would really appreciate it. I'm close to 500 subscribers. So again, thank you and see you on the next one.